but I'm stuck in my seat for the full control. I'm insane, I'm insane, I'm insane, so I'm my pain. Just something around that pain. Ain't really my game, I'm on the floor, and I'm gonna be here. I'm stuck inside, this is suffocating, taking over. I'm a slave for you. I'm a slave for you. Ripping harder, more less. Never stop, no rest. Till the stress is breath in my chest. Till it's diamonds wrapping my neck. Progress to a god from a goddamn mess. Hopeless, more tests, more blessed. Dug deep down trying to find my best. Find a beast, had to kill a conquest. I'm next. I'm too on till I'm too off. Calm down, make new thoughts. Like jumping off of that rooftop. Whole life never when I knew not to make moves based on my mood drops. Like who's lost? Like who's lost? It's yours. Steadily killing me, running my brain full of shame. I don't wanna lose it. I'm full of stage, trying to find my pain. I see something coming out of that rain. For you. For you. I'm a slave for you.
This is the future. Evolution. This is the future. Evolution.
He's more than just a stopper, plenty more.
Kante chases his own pass.
It just doesn't surprise you. He passes the ball and then actually gets his own pass. He's incredible. He's all over the pitch. The presence of mind to play that fast.
Pretty good by Hassan. And came back to Kante! And Chelsea level it up!
The pivot as it happens on this occasion is Carrasco. Morgan, the approach play here from Chelsea. It's been quite unable to. Felix looking for an opportunity to shoot. Piece it. Trippier. Fair away by Kovacic. Ziyech and Kovacic are the two players that have beaten 13 matches going into this competition. And Kovacic losing out to Carrasco. Also sending it forward. Now tries to force his way through. Trying to slide it through to Reece James, who moved into Zuma. Roll throw. That's the ball away. Now Pulisic with a chance to break. He's got Emerson to his left and N'Golo Kante to his right. It's here for Emerson. It's his first touch of the ball and he slams it into the back of the net. What an introduction to the match.
He winds up.
Chelsea break through.
which has us all square.
Oh shit, here we go again.
And it really does change the atmosphere and the balance of the game now.
Kante. Kante going all the way through! Oh, it gets better and better for Chelsea. Talk about rubbing Mourinho's nose in it.
In the comfort zone, Chelsea. Kante. Oh, he strokes it in. Muted celebrations against his former club for whom he won the title. But he's put the title winners of 2017.
Here's Kante. Beautifully done. This will be a big moment for Chelsea in the semi-final.
Messi, what's it looks to move through it. A goal of Kante shut the door. Paulinho in there quickly.
Up, De Bruyne. Picked away again by Kante.
Away from him, and they've been caught on it by Kante.
Once golden hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams into modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you
We'll be right back.